Welcome back to Anju De Vlogs. This is my travel series on extreme winter exploration. If you have not watched my previous episodes from this series, please go and check that playlist. Hope you liked all my previous episodes. Yesterday, after coming back from Narkanda, we had a sound sleep. Today, we are planning to leave this hotel, Hotel Dhruv, and this hotel is one of the best hotels to stay in Shimla. The kind of services they provide, the food, the room, everything was exemplary. Yesterday, they had given us a Christmas special buffet also for dinner. Now we will have our breakfast and head towards our famous mall road and see how the day view looks like there. So for the breakfast buffet, let's see what we have. Baked beans, healthy ones, aloo paratha, vermicelli upma, and our bhatura and chana. And idli sambar is there. So we have the guava juice, banana shake, salted lassi, cornflakes, and these cakes, cupcakes, donut, all these things, and fruits, cut fruits, etc. The food here is amazing, guys. Tip for the day. What about some beauty tips? Isn't that also important? Yeah. When you are in such extreme winter, please don't forget to use a good moisturizer. And sunscreen is also equally important because you might get cold tan, which is very difficult to remove. Next is a lip balm. A good quality hydrating lip balm is very important so that you won't get chapped lips. And one anti-dandruff shampoo, because if you are having very dry skin and when you are in winter, extreme winter, chances of getting high extreme dandruff is more likely to happen. So I will provide what all products I am using in the description box. Mall road. So morning view. If you are feeling extremely cold, you can come here and get few blessings from sun. भाई साहब, ये जैकू टेम्पल जाने के लिए रोप वे है ना?
हाँ, चर्च के बगल से
I just asked him where is the rope way to go to Jakku temple. So he said to go straight beyond this church, and he said we have to walk 10 minutes from here. Last day we had come here last night actually and saw this beautiful church. So now we can see in the daylight the amazing architecture. Christ Church, Shimla. If you have not seen the previous episode, please do watch. In that I'll take ropeway. Vehicle is waiting. Yeah, our first ropeway is getting ready. Yes. Yay! High five to you also, guys. Yay! We are starting our ropeway. Yahoo! We are going up the hills. See the view from here. Oh God, there is one more family following us in the cabin behind us. Oh God, look at the view. You can see the mountain ranges from here. How beautiful it is. I'm sure the camera can't do justice here. It is that beautiful. You have to come here and witness it directly, experience it. It is a different feel. Must try. You can see the entire mall road from here. The entire Shimla town is visible. All the beautiful mountain ranges behind. You can see the altitude. It is now 7,662 feet. The beautiful city of Shimla, guys. I don't really want to leave this place, but yes, we have to leave today. Now slightly the speed has increased. See, I can see snow-capped mountains again. What a visual, yaar. It is such a picturesque view. Amazing. Actually, in this place, wherever you turn your camera, you can spot picturesque spots. Yeah, we reached the destination. This is how we are landing. We almost touched 8,000 feet, guys. People are waiting to board. Very nice place. So we got down from the ropeway and going towards the temple. Oh my god, I'm feeling so divine, blessed, fortunate to visit this temple at such high altitude, the Jakku temple. So this is the Jakku temple. It is a Sri Ram temple which has Hanuman Swami also inside that. We had a good darshan in the temple. It was a really amazing feel. Felt very blessed and spiritual. Now going towards this big idol of Sri Hanuman Swami. Oh my god, see how big it is, how tall it is. Already standing at a high altitude. And see the gigantic structure. What a big statue. People are taking pictures. That foundation is as tall as me. Oh my god, look here, you can understand how big the statue is. See the feet alone, how big. And see, oh my goodness. See, how big it is. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Guys, we are leaving Jakku temple, waiting for the return Jakku ropeway. After the Jakku temple visit, we did lot of shopping in the mall road. And we are about to check out with lot of good memories here and lot of tears behind. I have to leave this beautiful city Shimla and this beautiful hotel Dhruv. Now we are planning to head towards a town called Mandi. So on the way, if there are any beautiful views to be shared, definitely I'll capture it and share it with you guys. Do join us, be with us, come. See this railway station on the way, Jutthok. I don't know if I pronounced it right. See, the road from Shimla to Mandi is full narrow road. Starting we got some nice place with lot of trees on either side. After that it became really narrow and shops on either side, houses on either side. Such kind of streets we got to see, and it is actually fun. It's a different feel again. exploring new places. See, from here we can see Mandi, Manali, Bilaspur. All these are in this route. Mandi is actually around 130 to 140 kilometers from Shimla. It will take around 4 hours of travel. We started at 1:30. In between we should have our lunch also. So let's see when we will reach Mandi. This is a new restaurant. It got opened just 1 week back. He asked me whether we need. I told yes, and the color looks to be very spicy. Let's see how the egg fried rice is. Chili sauce, soya sauce, tomato sauce, everything is there. Mandi around 6 o'clock, so we took 5 hours. We had our booking in Hotel Valley View. After reaching the hotel, we slept for some time. Now got up again for the vlog. It is around 7-degree temperature right now. My throat is gone. No heater here. So altogether, like we are suffering more than in Shimla. About the hotel, we didn't really like this place because it's not really clean. Maybe the room is spacious, but that is not our major priority, right? It should be clean and hygienic. In that way, we are little disappointed. We had booked based on the pics in GoIbibo, but I don't know what really happened. But the room is like okay only. Anyways, it is only for a night. So tomorrow morning, we will have to start from here. Now, on the ride from Shimla to Mandi. As usual, Himachal Pradesh, wherever you look into it will be a scenic ride. Initially, we felt like we are going in parallel to the other mountain ranges and we are almost touching the top of all the mountains and we could see the top from the Ghat roads. It was that kind of a ride. After a few hours, it was like we are in a valley and we are surrounded with lot of mountain ranges. And the beauty, the view was amazing. It was mesmerizing and the ride was really excellent. You will have to take that road. You will love it. It was a real stunning view to see Bias River on the sides of the road while traveling from Shimla to Manali. Greenish blue color or the bluish green color, I'm not sure. It was looking so pure and it is really a mesmerizing view. You should not miss it out. But we were not able to go near the river. Maybe I'm not sure if we get to see that again in the coming roads. While crossing that river, we could see few of the travel vloggers from my native. They have their YouTube channel in Malayalam. One is Abdu Rocks and the other is Samat Samu. We had really great time chatting with them. It is really nice to see such people around who has similar ambition. Guys, now it's time for a deep sleep. We are really tired after this long ride. So time to end up this episode. Love you all. Keep watching my episode. Wait for tomorrow another episode. As always, keep showering your love. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel Anju Dev Vlogs. See you soon. Bye.